Hello, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add your first client. You have 0 clients assigned. We're on the dashboard. Your URL bar should say immnav.com/main menu/. And so we'll go to existing, new. And so we're going to check the file number for availability so we don't have duplicate files. So let's test 1000. Check availability. All right, so that one cleared, and we'll input this information. It's very important that you input this information. So we'll just make this client's name test. All right, and then we will press create. And there we go. That's all there is to it. And we can see from here that we can start inputting the information that we have available to us. And client vitals down here, we see that the last name's testy, and test. All right. Have a great day.